All right, so let's look at JASMY and see what's on the table for JASMY. Right now, we broke out of this falling wedge to the upside, and this channel has been supported to the upside, to the downside. I drew this yesterday. This is on the 1 hour chart. You got rejected off there. You came down a little bit, got rejected there again after I drew it. Then you came down to this line. You bounced off that at 4 cents, and now we're going higher. Personally, I'm in this trade from 375 or right about that. I had my stop loss yesterday at 3.8, so at break even. Because of the move up and because on the last local low we did not lose 383. First of all, I didn't get stopped out. Damn, I was really close to getting stopped out because my stop was 381. But then you moved up, and I'm still in this trade, and I moved my stop up to 3.9 this morning because I think if you lose 4 cents, then you're going to be breaking this channel, because now at the lowest point you can go in this channel that I have drawn would be 417. So I think even on a wick, you don't lose 3.9. Even on a wick, I don't even think a wick comes down to 3.9. So this is kind of where we're headed. I'm going to zoom out to like the 3 hour chart and kind of try to, well, I want to draw a line similar to this so I can see where, so I can just extend the channel like that and be as accurate as possible, because I don't want to have to move this and have to adjust it a little bit. You know what I mean? I don't want to have to do that. So that's kind of where we're headed now. I'll do that for the bottom one too. But pretty much our 618 fib from the last local low to the last local high, which was up here, and the last local low is down here at 297, or right around 3 cents. I think it was 3 cents actually. The 618 is at 4.2. So as long as you're above 4.2 cents, you're super bullish on JASMY. My next target is 5 cents on JASMY. If you break that, 6 cents is the next target. If you break that, 6.5 was the next target. And I got that from the wedge, the falling wedge, or the rising wedge to the upside, I should say. And 6.5 is the ultimate target. That's a long ways away, but I think 6.5 would be a good target. If you break that, 7 cents, 7.16 is the next resistance point. But 6.5 is probably what I'll take some profits. Although when we get up there, if it still looks really bullish, I might stay in the trade and just move my stop up a little bit. Right now, my stop is within a 15%. I mean, from 15% lower would take you down to 3.9. That's where my stop is currently. Let's go see how the MACD is looking. See if we have any bullish divergence here on the smaller time frames. Not really on the 15-minute chart. The 1 hour chart. Yes, there's still bullish divergence here on the 1 hour chart, right? There was bullish divergence there, and then you could also say, well, you made a higher low on there from there to there, so technically there's bullish divergence here. You had the rally up, and now you have bullish divergence again because you made a higher low, which means you're probably going to have another rally up here to wherever this green line was, which means you can easily, in my opinion, at least hit 5+ cents. And 6 cents is probably going to be very possible. 6.5 is possible, and maybe even 7 cents. But I think at some point you go up, you consolidate down, you go up, you consolidate down. Right? It's not going to happen in one straight shot. Let's go look at the 4 hour chart, see if there's anything there. There's no bullish divergence there. The 6 hour chart, nothing. 12 hour chart, there was some right here. A very well, not that wasn't really bullish divergence. That's pretty weak right there. That's not really much of a higher low. There was definitely bullish divergence right here, though, on the daily chart. I mean, even from right there to there. And then if you go way back there, you could even say from there to there, that's bullish divergence, but that's a huge jump. So I'm not going to draw that. And that was a long time ago. But that was a while ago that you had that bullish divergence. Now, next time you come down and consolidate down, which right now looks like you're right at resistance for the MACD on the daily chart, when you do come down, you need to make sure you don't lose this level of negative 0.0005. You want them, if you never even go to the red, that'd be bullish on the MACD. Let's go see how the RSI is looking, and then that'll be about it. So the 15-minute chart is currently at 53, so that's neutral. The 1 hour chart was overbought barely and came back down at 67. The 4 hour chart is overbought at 72. The 6 hour chart is overbought at 74. The 12 hour chart is overbought at 76. The daily chart is overbought at 73, and the 3-day chart is neutral. So a lot of these time frames are getting up there. That's why I think 6.5 would probably be the absolute peak, even though you have resistance at 7. Now it depends. If we get another falling wedge or something with a breakout target, then 7 cents is very possible. But we need some, like a target, some sort of formation in the charts. I think to propel us past 6.5. But 6.5 is an ultimate target for this trade. If you get above that, I'd be super excited, and I'll just move my stop up. But I'll probably stay in this trade to the end of the month, and I'll probably take profits and send some to the bank. But my guess is I'll be in this trade for about another week, unless I get stopped out or something. And like I said, once again, my stop's at 3.9 cents right now. So with that being said, that's all I got. Very bullish on JASMY short and medium term, with the ultimate target of 6.5 cents in the coming week or two. If in the next week we don't get to 6.5, I'll probably take some profits a little bit early. But I plan to stay in this trade for another 6 to 7 days. So with that being said, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, I appreciate if you like and subscribe on your way out. I will see you guys in the next update.